like to show you some nice apartment which has direct water view and it's second line. Apartment really attractive for the price and for the location. This is open ocean view. This is city of Hollywood. Again, guys, who doesn't know Miami, it's big city with the ocean. So yes, it has a little noise because we're still in a North Village. And like I said before, this is second line. It's facing direct water from all rooms. And apartment asking price $329. Okay guys, let's go forward. So I like to show apartment from entrance door, so you're gonna understand what is layout for this apartment. And let's go inside. Okay, this is 2 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,400 square feet. Why it's I wanna show you, because I'm trying to find you good deals and not to show some dream seller's property which is will never sell for the price. So this is attractive price. It's a little bit negotiable, but honestly price is right. I know you don't believe to brokers, you don't have to like car dealers, but guys, asking price $329. It's $329,000 US, and apartment renovated. If you're gonna see, it's nothing you need to do. It's flat ceiling. It was renovated maybe 3, 4, 5 years ago and was done completely. Kitchen, flooring, ceiling, appliances. So kitchen very nice and good size, and cabinets it's classic style, and it has countertop from granite, backsplash. Again, guys, we do renovations. I know how much does it cost. Again, like I see it, people invested money to make it nice and attractive and didn't save money. It has really good porcelain floor, which is like you see, people use it for a couple of years. No one broken tile, and you're gonna see ocean from the living room. Ocean from the living room. Regarding windows, probably building will replace them, but maybe it's not now, but in the future. Sometimes buildings do assessments in full renovation. This building, they replace balconies. So I hope you're not gonna have any big assessment for future years. And again, it's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So this is a second bedroom, which is good size. It's not small, and it's queen size bed, and exit to balcony from this room. So balcony, like we've been here, it's nice size. And like I said, all rooms facing ocean, all rooms. And like you know, Hollywood is a good place to be. You can win good schools, charter schools, and you have Boardwalk, you have a lot of attraction, and public beach, you have restaurants, everything walking distance. So this is why I like Hollywood more than Hallandale, because basically it's too close neighborhoods, but Hollywood I think is much more attractive compared to Hallandale. But again, everyone choosing their own place. And again, maintenance for this apartment you can find always under links our website. And guys, we're trying to educate you with other properties, and we put links to the buildings, so you can see all apartments available in the building. So use it, and you can learn how much you should pay if you like apartment in this same building. You have statistic for sold, and you have statistic for rent and rented. So basically we're trying to educate you how much is per square feet, not to overpay, and to be realistic with the prices, because this is most important, to buy an apartment for a real fair market value. And again, we're providing service. If you're buying something else with somebody else and you don't know if it's worth money or not, we're doing BPO, broker's price opinion. We charge for this service $150 to $200, but listen, sometimes it's worth to make it if you want to be sure if it's really worth to buy for this amount. Or you can order appraisal. Appraisal gonna cost you between $400 to $600, which is a little more expensive and longer process. So you can use different procedure how to get the real price. Guys, I would glad to see you as a client, and we're gonna represent your best interest and to get the best possible deal. So this is why you need to hire someone who gonna represent only your side of interest. And this is my advice: if you're looking to buy something, don't split yourself with 100 agents and trying to get the best deal. It's not gonna happen, because each agent who gonna represent the seller will work against you and to get more money for the seller, not for you. So basically, we always split seller agent and buyer agent. So if you want us to see as a buyer agent, more than welcome. We're gonna sign contract with you. We're gonna represent only interest, and each transaction is gonna be smooth. So everything gonna be clear, and this is our fiduciary to you to get the best deal and without any, headaches and surprises. So guys, feel free to call me. I will love to answer for your comments, and if it makes sense, and if you have any questions regarding houses, we're working Miami area, so Boca Raton, Weston, Parkland, Davie, Plantation, Oakland, name it, everything 100 miles from North Miami. So if you have any interest, feel free, ask questions, and we always respond to you with the 24 hours with all inventory available for the best possible price. Okay, apartment very attractive by price and condition. You don't need to spend any dollar for renovation. And again, it's Hollywood, second line. You have, like you see, people, bicycles, boardwalk. You have all attraction wherever you want. Guys, see you soon here, and waiting to see you here. Thank you.